Okay, so there are going to be two quick lessons in this video. The first part, we're going to talk about the electron magnetic microscope, and then we're going to talk about cells. So we talked about compound light microscopes last week. And so their magnification is between 400, it could be up to 1,000 times magnification. The microscopes that you guys would use in a lab would amplify or magnify an image by 400 times. So that's not really that crazy. And so we do have electron microscopes that are able to magnify images up to 600,000 times. So I've only gotten to use one once in my career. I think I was in my 4th year of university. So you can see here in this slide that it's a very large tool. And so a compound microscope, a magnetic and electron microscope typically takes up the size of a small room, and it's connected to a couple computers, and it's probably just as tall as I am. So it's very large. And so what it does is you'll have your specimen or your sample, and it'll actually produce an electronic image onto your computer by using high voltage electrons. So it'll beam down these electrons and then create an image from the fluorescent colors that are produced. So the images that an electron microscope produces are almost futuristic and kind of like sci-fi and freaky. And so there is a link to this video in your weekly videos, and it's just a series of images that are produced by either a TEM or an SEM. So both these TEMs and SEMs are electron microscopes. They're a little different. A TEM is a lot cheaper than an SEM, and what it does is it focuses that beam of electrons onto a thin slice of a specimen. The specimen does have to be dead in order for us to look at it, because it's going to be covered in a special coating that will help those electrons get excited and then create an image for us. An SEM, on the other hand, is a lot more expensive, but the cool thing is that you can create, it'll create 3-dimensional images for you on your computer digitally, and you can look at live specimens so they can be living. You're not having to put that coating, that special coating on there, and they're not having to take thin slices. So it's a lot more versatile of a tool for us, and the images again are going to look futuristic and sci-fi. So I'd like you guys to watch that video. Here is a picture of some images produced by an electron microscope. Okay, so these are like dust mites right here. Okay, and I'm going to stop this video and just make a second one because my computer's going to die. Okay, so have a good day, guys. Never gonna let me stop.